Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to do an AI anime trend on TikTok with CapCut. So the trend will look something like this. It will just be your normal face flashing with an anime version of your face. So it looks something like this with the end result. So first things first though, go to App Store and once you go, or Google Play Store. Once you go to your App Store, search up Face Play and just search that up. There'll be a couple other options, but that'll be the first one that shows up. And this one right here, Face Play AI Art Generator. This is the one that we want to download. So click on it and then click Get. And once it downloads, as you can see, you can change it from normal face to that. You can also do it on your animals, or you can do it with animals and you. So it's pretty cool. But I'll let it download real quick. And here we go. We have it downloaded. And once it's downloaded, click on it. It will bring you to the Face Play app. You can just click Ask App Not to Track. After you do that, the page will load for a bit. It takes a little bit for it to load, so just wait a couple seconds and it'll bring you to this page right here. Here, click on the big button that says Get Started. Once you click on that, this will show up, but you can just click on the X in the top left corner. Once you click on the X, it'll ask this. You have to allow them, so just click Allow. And once you do that, just click Enable and scroll down until you find a theme that you like. So there's free themes and then there's themes that you have to pay for. The themes that you have to pay for have a crown in the top right of them, and then the ones that are free have a video in the top right of them. So I'll just choose this free theme right here, and then you have to create an account. So just log in with Apple or Google, and once you do that, allow all this and allow access to photos and choose the photo that you want to use. I'll use this one right here. Once you do that, click on Continue. It will make you watch an ad to use it for free, but if you have premium, then you don't have to watch an ad. So I watched the ad and now it's capturing this and turning it into the anime AI. So as you can see here, it created an AI anime and that turned out pretty good. So there's two options to save the photo: no watermark, which you have to watch an ad for to get it for free, and then you can just save it for free with the watermark. You can see the save buttons in the bottom left corner. You can choose to save it without the watermark or with the watermark. I'll save it with the watermark because I don't want to waste my time. But once you do that, head over to TikTok. Now, once you get into TikTok, you're going to want to go to the search bar in the top right corner. In that search, you are going to search up AI Anime Filter CapCut. And once you search that up, you have to have CapCut to do this first. So make sure you download it if you don't have it. And then once you download it, do this and then click on any of the videos. I'll choose this one right here. As you can see, it goes like that. And you'll want to click on CapCut Try This Template. It's right above the username of the person that posted this video. So once you click on that, it'll bring you over to CapCut. And you'll just want to click Use Template in CapCut. And it'll say this, you just want to click Open. And it'll bring you over to CapCut. Once you get here, it'll open it up and you'll want to click Use Template in the bottom right corner. And once you do that, you'll head over to Photos in the top of the screen and then choose the real photo first, and then the two next photos will be the anime photo. So click on the original photo first and then click twice on the anime photo. Once you do that, click on Continue in the bottom right. And as you can see here, it does all the editing for you. So if you are satisfied with the results, you can just click on the Add Sound in TikTok in the top right corner, and that will import it to TikTok. So just click on that and it'll start exporting it to TikTok. It will take a couple seconds, but once it uploads all the way, it'll bring you back over to TikTok and it will add the sounds, as you can see here. It's loading for a bit, and there we go. We have the video in TikTok, and it'll add back the sound that was originally on the original video. You just click Next, and you can post it. So that's how you do the AI anime filter on TikTok with CapCut. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them. And I'll see you guys next time.